Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. In this session, we are talking about operators. So we will be taking two variables and we will see how we can make use of these operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and raise to the power. So I hope you will enjoy this session.
First of all, let us understand what exactly are operators. Operators are used to perform some operations. Let me give you some examples. Let's say you want to open up a door, and when you are opening a door, at that particular time, what happens? You basically take support of the handle. Now, that handle is an operator here, and that handle is basically being used by your hand and the door itself. So, your hand and the door they become the operands. So in Python also, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. The variables and values would be called as operands. Let us see a simple example. Let me print 10 plus or 10 plus 5. If I execute this, we all know what would be the result. The result would be 15. So in this particular case, if you see, 10 is a value and 15 is also a value, and what is remaining is the plus sign. Plus sign is the operator. It is very simple. So the plus operator is making use of two values, 10 and 5, and it is adding up the two values and it is becoming 15. So let us try to understand that what all types of operators do we have. So in Python we have multiple operators, and let me help you with them. So we have arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison, logical, identity, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Let us try to understand one by one each of them. And we will be beginning with arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, floor division. Now, let me show you practically one by one each of them. So arithmetic operators. And the first one we will go with the addition operator. Addition basically has got plus symbol. So here I will be adding two values, that is 10 plus 12, and we'll be getting an output that is 22. You can write the same expression as print, and inside the bracket you can write 10 plus 12. Both have got the same meaning. Print statement will give us the output. The same thing I can do with the help of variables. So if I write a is equal to 10 and I write b is equal to 12, and after that I write print a plus b. In mathematics you must have done this. In mathematics we always take some variables and we initialize those variables with some values, and this is what we have done here. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 12, and then we are printing the sum of a and b with the help of the operator, that is plus. So these are the ways how you can make use of your operators on values as well as on the variables. Now a quick question, what is a value here and what is a variable here? Let me help you with the answers also. So 10 and 12, they are the values. In many programming languages we call them as literals as well. The immediate values are called as literals, and a and b, they are basically variables. Now this is very interesting. The variable term is coming from vary plus able. That means that the ability to vary. For example, let's say you have a bag and today you are keeping some of your books inside the bag, but now you want to plan a trip and you are using the same bag. Now you are using some of your snacks and some items which you may require during the trip inside the same bag. So can you say that the bag is having things varying as per the time? And that's true, it is happening. So here we can see that the things inside the bag are varying. That is called as variable. So here you take this a as a variable. A is equal to 10. This means a is a bag and it can have anything at one point of time and something else at another point of time. So a is equal to 10 will have 10 at this moment, and if I change the value of a is equal to 30, and now you see that this variable a is having some other value that is 30 at this point of time. I hope this concept of variable and the values is clear to you. Let us move ahead and try to explore more of the arithmetic operators. The next arithmetic operator is subtraction. Now let me help you with subtraction. Subtraction, a very basic example I'll give you. So the symbol for subtraction is minus or a dash. Now I will simply do print a minus b, and this is going to give us a result of 18 because a is 13, 30, 30, and the b value is 12. So 30 minus 12 is 18. The next one we have is multiplication. So for multiplication, the symbol we use is star symbol or asterisk symbol. This star or asterisk we will be using in the print for the variables a and b. And now you can see the result. The result would be 360. So a into b becomes 360. Let me help you with 10 asterisk 12. This will be 120. So this is multiplication.
Now I have a question for you. Till now we are using these operators like addition, multiplication, subtraction for two variables. Now just check out, can we use the same operators for more than two variables or not?
The next one we have is modulus. Modulus, normally in mathematics you solve division. And in division we get what? We get a remainder and we get a quotient. So let us first go with division and then modulus. So division, division. The symbol for division here is forward slash. You have to put the forward slash between the two operands. So I'll be putting this forward slash something like this. Let me take some new values. A is equal to, I'll take 100, and b is equal to, I'll take 10. So now I'll be taking up print, and inside print I'll be taking a divided by b. So this is how in Python we write the division. So 100 divided by 10, and the value we come up with is 10.0. This is the value returned by the function print after the division has taken place. Now let us move ahead, and now we will see the modulus. This modulus is performed with the help of the percent symbol. The percent symbol is used. Now I will do the modulus for a and b itself. So how will I do that? Print, and inside the bracket I'll write a and the percent symbol, that is modulus, b, and let me execute. So here you can see the output as 0. Let me give you some more example to understand what exactly is modulus. Now I will do 3 modulus 2 and I will do 2 modulus 3. This will help us to understand what exactly is the output. Now this 3 modulus 2 basically means that you are dividing 3 by 2. And when you divide 3 by 2, what is the remainder? What is remaining? So the remaining is 1. But when you are dividing 2 by 3, what is the remainder? Remainder is 2 itself. Because in case of 3 by 2 or 3 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2. So we get 2. So 3 minus 2 becomes, it is 3 minus 2, it becomes 1. 1 is the remainder. But in case of 2 by 3, 3 ones are 3. So you cannot basically divide 2 by 3. So it becomes 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2 itself. So this modulus gives us the remainder. How wonderful is it, isn't it? Let's move ahead. The next one we have is exponential. So this exponentiation, this is done with the help of 2 star or asterisk marks. 2 asterisk. Single is for multiplication. Now I want to calculate power. So let's say A is equal to 2 and I want to compute a power, for example A asterisk and double time I'll put and 2. So this I'll put in a print statement. So let me put that. So here you can see that the output is coming as 2 raised to 2. This we can modify and check more on it. So let's say I want to change my A and I'm taking a variable B and B is having a value 3 inside it. And I'm computing print B to the power 2, which means 3 into 3, which is 9. So this is exponentiation. Even you can do exponentiation something like this, print A to the power B. So B is 3. So this basically means that 2 into 2 into 2. So here you can see that the output should be 8. 2 into 2, 4, and 4 multiplied by 2, 8. This is exponentiation. Now the next one we have is floor division. So floor division, the word floor, if you have seen, this floor basically means lower value. So in case of floor division, we will get the output of division having the nearest value. Okay, so it will have the nearest value and on the lower side. So I can basically write as nearest lower value. Let me show you, let me demonstrate this to you. In this particular case, we use double slash. In division, if you know, we use single slash, but in floor division, we use double slash, forward slash double time. Now, I will write A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 9. Now you can see that if I will do division, let me show you division first. So if I do division, that is A by B, and let me write it over here, this is division, division. So this division basically is going to give us an output 11.11111. This is division's output. So in order for the user to understand, I'll write division over here so that there is no confusion. At the same time, what I'll do is I'll write print and then I'll write floor division, floor division, division, and let us see that what will be the output for floor division, that is A double slash B. Okay, and let me execute this. So division comes to be 11.1111 and floor division, it comes as only 11. So you can understand that floor division is actually giving us the whole value without any decimals and to the lower side.
So till now we saw a lot many operators. Suppose I want a square root of a number. So what operator should I use? Just check it out. So I hope you liked the video and all the concepts are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can write us to the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and for more such content, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.